Hi mga friend! Good morning! Marian here. We are still in Tarlac, kaya iba yung setup natin today. So friend, no, maybe you're wondering where are we bringing all our books, no? This is the current books that we are reading. This is what we bought from book sale in Robinson's, Kabanatuan. So friend, ayan. When we buy books, syempre we are so interested. Kaya nga, binabasa muna natin, well, what is the content, how are we going to use it in our day-to-day consultancy or family. So, we are very interested. Yun lang nga, when you go home na, syempre you have to finish the books that you are presently reading. Yan, you have to finish yung present book mo. So, ito yung mga new books mo. So, you put them on your library. So, we have a library at home. Siguro nakita nyo, it's, ayan, 1/6 of our third story workshop. Guest area is, books natin, no? So, medyo madami na nga siya. But yun, you can use them. And also, we look forward na sana magamit din ni Tine Kati ang ating book. So, yun. That's why we bought a lot of books. So, praying we will be able to use them one of these days sa ating daily life, sa ating work. Ayan. So, we are so into books eh. High school pa lang tayo, we are so into books eh. Thank you for watching. Keep on reading. God bless you all. See you in our next video.